Welcome to Galactic Wisdom Way Shower, where we nurture the seeds of your soul. With Etalk beside me, let's tend to your rainbow seed, aligning your soul with the frequencies of your highest path. This is your rainbow seed maintenance reading, a weekly light body calibration. Let's check out what your light body is focusing on this week. What is the focus of your light body? Oh, I got two. The 5 pillars, balance and harmony, fundamentals of source reality. Okay, so this week, there is something that is going to absolutely change your life and be the foundation. And I actually know what that is with this second card. Wind beneath your wings. Do more of what you love and feel inspired by. So this makes me smile. You may have thought that it was wasting time or goofing off or silly to stay up and do things that you are passionate about without realizing, and your light body wants you to know, the things that you are so passionate and loving and care about are actually things that are core elements within your reality. These are actually very important for you to be doing, and it's something that your light body wants you to really focus on this week. Really focus on what are those things that lights you up. What are the things that when it enters your mind, you literally get so stoked that your heart rate starts going a little bit faster and you get a little sweaty, and that pure nervous and excitement because you don't want to mess it up, but you can't wait to dig into it. Whatever that is for you, you're meant to focus on it this week. Your light body is needing you to focus on those beautiful passions this week. Oh, that is so exciting. Okay, now, where are you being upgraded energetically? Energetically, what's going on with doing more of what you love? Ooh. Depths of love. Oh my goodness. Let go of fear to jump into love. Let go beyond attachments. Okay. This is truly showing me that maybe you thought that doing what you love was a phase. That it was a phase that would have worn off by now. It hasn't. It's not a phase. Doing what you love isn't a phase. But there was a sense of fear of it being a phase, and because it's a phase and you thought you were wasting your time doing this thing, and you might become uninterested or realize you wasted your life on whatever you're passionate about, you're being upgraded to not have that doubt no longer, to not have that fear or embarrassment or even feeling shameful, because there is a new dimensional love, almost relationship happening with your passion, with what you love to do. Ooh. Now, these are, in the picture here, they can change to be different types of beings, but these beings specifically are dolphins out of Sirius, and they're bringing in a message. Fear not, for your love is not dishonesty. Many beings have loved you with a dishonest heart, and that dishonest heart has scared you out of numerous possibilities that would have brought you wealth and happiness, numerous possibilities that have now driven you to inconsistent reliabilities on others. Take your time in loving and doing what you love to do. Take your time. Time is not being wasted. Time is inevitable. Time is appreciated. Doing what you love does not take time, nor does it give time. It transcends time. Wow. Thank you so much for that message. Now let's check out which chakra needs maintenance after discovering how foundational and letting go of any form of fear about you. I see what you do for a living is directly tied with doing what you love. Soul Star Chakra. Ooh, this card is coming through. If you did not see my past reading, I want you to go check it out, because it feels like if you're the one receiving help, if last week you received help from someone, it opened up a part of your Akashic records, and you're finding out your soul family is Sirian beings. They're out of Sirius. How exciting. No wonder creating is such a magnet for your abundance to seep into your life. But it's time to visit your Soul Star Gateway. You are going to be tapping into a higher self, merging with a higher self. I'm really sensing whoever I'm speaking to for this reading is very close to Sirians or has Sirian frequencies within their galactic chart. Now, who is supporting your manifestations this week? I feel as though the Sirian Dolphins were very much supporting your upgrades. Blue ray beings. Now, these are bridge beings. Blue ray beings assist in awakenings. So there is a sense of you awakening to mastering your natural abilities. The reason you love doing what you do, and it is whether it's already lifted off as a career or it's time to take yourself seriously, it's because it comes so natural to you. You not doing this thing that you love would be like taking away a body part from someone and saying that they could live without it. I mean, yes, there are a lot of beings living without certain parts of themselves, but if you've had your hand your whole life and you take it away, it makes things more challenging. Not saying you're not able to do anything, but it does make things more challenging, and it makes things to have to think about them in a different manner than you have your entire life. Taking away this thing that you are passionate about would be like taking away your hand. You're so used to it, and you are a master at it, whether you know it or not. And once this fear completely moves out of the way, once you completely merge with this part of yourself and allow it to be a true foundation in your life, a true pillar in your life, oh my goodness, you're going to be unstoppable. If you're not already. Let's get a message from this beautiful blue ray being, because you're awakening into your most abundant self. For alignment, blue ray being, what needs self-care? With doing more of what they love, with doing what they love, with deeper emotions. The infinite. Tapping in. There's that scarab beetle that means divine infinite wisdom. You're tapping in to your DNA, to your God-given gifts. The self-care is to view and perceive and absolutely trust that the deeper and more inspired you get from the things that you love, the limitless your life becomes. And it goes both ways. The less you do the things that you love, the more limitations that your life receives. Fascinating. Very fascinating. Oh my goodness. I'm speaking to a very infinite being. It is so beautiful to meet you. Wow, I am just even blessed to be reading for you. Thank you so, so much. I appreciate you for walking the wisdom path with me. Keep tending your seeds, whether they be rainbow seed, angel seed, star seed, or earth seed. And may your journey be guided by being human with spirit. Tend your seeds. Trust your light. I'll see you next time, guys.